Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to access your Sweat wallet account. So first thing first, make sure you have the Sweat wallet app installed on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store. And here go to the search icon and search for the Sweat wallet. So once you install, tap on the Sweat Wallet icon to open the application. So tap on Open button. So from here, once the app is open, you'll be greeted by the login screen. So just tap on the Enter button. And here you have two options to log in, using your email or phone number. And you can also choose the method that you registered with when you first created your account. You can select either you want to use Sweatcoin username, or you want to log in via secret face or via private key, right? And then go ahead and enter your email here or phone number into the corresponding field, and make sure to double check the information to or make sure to correct to avoid any login issues. And then after entering your credentials, you will receive a verification code either in your email inbox or via SMS. So depending on the login method you choose, and then enter that code into the app to verify your identity. So once your code is verified, the app will log you into your Sweat wallet account, and you should now be on the home screen where you can access all your wallet features. So if you encounter any issues logging in, make sure your internet connection is stable and your login details are correct, and that you're using the latest version of the application. And if problem persists, try restarting the app or reaching out to Sweat Wallet's customer support. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.